Hello, Sam.
Hello.
I mean, buddy. Buddy got the skidoo ready.
Mouse shit.
Alright, buddy Chambaud. We're checking net this morning. Tristan, Yeleni, Samson, telephone. Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, how to check a gillnet under the ice. We're here in Bistro Lake, northern Alberta. We got our net set. We're gonna go over there and check it out, and we'll see some fish in that video. You may see whitefish, pike, and maybe burbot, pickerel, walleye. Stay tuned. We'll head out and we'll go check the fish net, the gill net. Look at the view, folks. Tristan Yeleni's with us. Hello, Tristan. How are you?
Good.
What you had for breakfast?
Ham and sausages.
How was it?
It's delicious.
Oh, nice. You ready to check the gill net?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, check it out. We're gonna head that way, me and Tristan. All right, folks, we're gonna head that little island on the other side of the island. That's where we'll be. Okay, see it's okay. Okay, folks, we're here at the location. We're gonna pull the net up.
Oh, it's over there.
Okay, we'll get this side.
We pull this way.
Okay. We'll just pull it straight up. We'll pull it here and just roll it up.
Think about that camera line. Yesterday was just pulling real hard. Yeah. We forgot counterweight. Yeah. We were just laughing or something. Yeah, we were just pulling really hard. Me and you, I guess. Here's stick in case you guys want to chisel.
Samson, telephone, buddy Chambaud. They're gonna go on that side, chop the other side of the net and release the net so we can pull it out on this side. Oh, we got one so far, folks. Here, I'll take them off straight.
Another white.
We're getting fish, folks.
Should have had footage of that.
Corey DeRocher, come with us.
Another white. Whoa.
Look, folks.
Hey,
now get him on the camera.
Oh, what is
Look.
that?
Look, we got sucker.
Sucker.
Here, just there's the whitefish, folks.
Look, we got sucker. Right arm. Did you guys get it?
Yeah. It's funny, eh?
Yeah.
Look how much meat.
Down here, get towards the hole.
Look at that funky white fishes.
Whoa,
It's supposed to be like this.
Big one. Whoa, folks, look at that.
Grab it, okay, come off.
Yeah. Okay, pull.
Oh,
Come on, pull him out. Oh, look at that.
We got it. Woo, we got it.
Oh, folks, look at that. Look, buddy got
we
it.
caught fish, man, buddy.
look.
Oh, folks, look. Show the camera, buddy. Look at that. Buddy caught a big fish, folks.
Me too, I was there.
Look,
All
like
of us.
last time.
We'll take a picture, Mina.
Look at that picture.
Hey.
No, don't do it.
That's a big fish, bro.
Look at that. See that? Look how big his mouth can get.
You got it, I tired. Yeah, fine.
Corey, get a picture of Corey. Look, Corey. Oh, folks, look.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got little.
Look at it. Show it. Good. Yeah. Thumbnail.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
hold it up. Oh, look at that whitefish can fit in that jar.
I need to picture myself.
Other way, hold it.
Oh, we're getting some footage here, boys.
Oh, he's just.
Nice.
Oh,
Let's see,
Whale.
buddy. Hold it up.
we got a whale, you guys.
Oh.
My first net I set.
Yeah.
We caught a big whale.
Yeah.
See, look, Mike. I got this.
We're getting good footage here. We're getting good footage here, folks.
But you lost that big white fish.
Yeah.
Michael.
Look right there. Oh, 43 inches.
3/4. 42 and 3/4.
42 and 3/4, Jack.
I remember that one. Just give her. Oh shit.
Look at this, folks. Show you guys again. Buddy's got a good sized fish. Look, it's heavy.
Paul. Here, let's take those out there.
Oh, take our fish off net.
Pickerel right there, folks. Nice little pickerel.
Hey, pull down.
Here's hole right there.
Oh, nice big pickerel, that one. Oh, white.
Hold that fish coming out.
Oh, another white. Another white.
Oh, lots of whitefish.
Okay, stop.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that was good.
I wanna get a.
We'll caught it when we're done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's this one. Yeah, it is way less.
Let's have a shot there. I'll get cold.
I didn't have
Got no
things, we didn't
shots.
buy it.
Here.
Yeah, we did.
Here, you got for 100. Give me 1, 2. Look, sucker. Last time I give it a
Just throw the suckers in the.
give it a kiss, Michael. That sucker. Right on the lips. Leave his come back in, Mike.
Keep the camera on the hole.
That's it.
Okay, good. Oh.
Keep camera on Corey on. What? You hungry? That's what I mean.
Ooh, I'm recording now.
It's under the car.
First time with Uncle Mike's GoPro. I'll be the cameraman. There's a sucker, folks. Use my hook, Mike. That's Toad's
Proper tool.
Toad's old hook.
Oh shit, yeah.
Michael's gonna give him a kiss. Dude, look at those lips. Hurry up, Mike. He's still alive. We'll throw him back.
Okay, awesome.
We're going to the other net, folks. Cut.